The 2015 to 2018 Suzuki GSX-R750. Suzuki keeps improving and expanding its signature Supersport series, and the 2020 GSX-R750 carries the torch, first ignited by the original Gixxer 750 all the way back in 1984. Granted, the late model Gixxers dropped the steel frame in favor of aluminum, and the air-cooled engine has been replaced with a jacketed mill, but the overall mission for the bike remains the same, to provide the general public with the most race-ready production bike available for legal use on the street. Of course, the rest of the market has caught up to Suzuki, and the supersport segment is flooded with similarly capable rides, and a good number of more capable sleds, though the most race-tastic of them are far more expensive than the $12,000-ish GSX-R750. Suzuki GSX-R750 design. The factory took steps to simplify the process of modifying it for actual track use, so it's almost a plug-and-play, closed-circuit bike. Right off the bat we see that, as always, the GSX-R750 runs a carefully crafted, wind-tunnel-tested full fairing complete with a vented engine cowling and chin spoiler. The paneling leaves a little bit to the imagination and lets only a bit of the mill and transmission show, but this here is a form-follows-function bike with little of the superfluous in evidence. An attractive Cyclops headlamp housing leads the way in the blunt nose of the fairing with an over-under, high and low beam configuration. Rather than mold the front turn signals into the front fairing, or even worse, mount whisker lights up front, the factory went with option 3 and set the lights in the mirrors. I like this setup because it keeps the front end clean while spacing the signals well away from the bike where they are most visible to the cage-driving public. Soft angles play across the fairings, fuel tank, and subframe trim for a look that strikes a balance between the super sharp and completely round. Personally, I prefer the fully rounded look myself, but this is a nice compromise. Obviously we're going to have jockey mount foot pegs and short handlebars on a bike like this, and the rider—
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.